Hello, hi, welcome to Apsana classes. Today in this video, let's know about the formation of the junction field effect transistor or the field effect transistor and with their supply voltage. So what is a JFET? JFET is a semiconductor device where it is operated with a voltage. So it is a voltage control device, whereas BJT is a current control device. So in BJT we have emitter, base and collector, whereas in JFET we have source, drain and gate. So how it is formed, first let's look. So in the JFET we have two types, so N channel JFET and P channel JFET. Most of the in the circuits, electronic circuits, N channel JFET is preferred. Why? Because in N channel electrons are majority charge carriers and electrons have higher mobility than P channel. So N channel JFET is mostly suitable and preferred. So see the formation, how it is formed. It is first a semiconductor of N channel. I am talking about the N channel JFET. N channel JFET. So N channel, for N channel JFET, the channel will be of N type. So N type, okay, where two highly doped P-type materials are induced in it, and the terminal is taken by internally shorted. So they are internally shorted and the single terminal is taken out, and that terminal is called as gate. And we have here source and drain. So three terminals: gate, source and drain and channel. Okay, fine. So in BJT we cannot change the terminals of collector and emitter, as it is having same type also, same type of material. We cannot interchange because their physical and electrical properties are different. So in this JFET we can interchange drain and gate terminals at low frequencies only. At high frequencies we cannot change. And now, so how it is operated? So it is mostly operated where we are giving reverse bias to gate terminal. So it is having P. So how this supply voltage will be given? So to give the reverse bias to P, how we give? So drain, source and gate for N channel JFET. So N is a channel and PP are the doped gates and internally shorted. So we have to reverse bias the gate to get the voltage, to give the proper voltage. So how to reverse bias it? So as it is P, so giving negative terminal. Yes. Okay. So these are containing electrons, right? Electrons. So how the electrons move forward? How the electrons will move forward when it will be having a repulsive force. When the electrons will get repulsive force whenever it is having the negative voltage. So I am giving negative voltage to source. So negative voltage to source I am giving. So as it is having negative voltage, so negative voltage, terminal of the voltage, and these negative charge particles will form a repulsive force. So as they are repulsing, so electrons move forward. So as they are moving forward, the drain terminals wants to grab those electrons. So how to grab, how to attract? So if it is having a positive terminal, so it can attract. So as that we are giving it to positive terminal. So here is the supply how we give to a FET. So as first we have to keep in mind that we have to reverse bias the gate voltages. Yes, did. And to get the correct supply, we gave negative to source and positive to drain for N channel. For N channel. For N channel. So this is the supply and this is the physical construction. Fine. Then how the current will be balanced or controlled? By giving the supply of gate. So gate voltage will define the current how much to flow in the JFET by this reverse biasing. So whenever the reverse biasing is more, so I have given reverse bias C. So this the P terminal will move towards the gate. So more current will flow like that. And how the symbolic notation for N channel? For N channel, the arrow will be towards gate, source and drain. Why this gate is having the arrow indicating towards? Means as we are given negative, reverse bias, so the electrons will move in this direction, and moreover here we are having holes as majority charge carriers, isn't it? So these holes will move in these directions. So as the holes are moving in these directions, then the whole current will move towards the FET. So whole current will move towards the FET. So the arrow is indicated towards the FET. So this is the reason for this arrow indication. So for P channel, this is for N channel. For P channel, so for P channel will be outwards, where we have here N. So in N, the electrons will move towards this side, so current will be outwards. So this is about the symbolic notation, physical formation and with biasing voltage supply. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.